Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has responded to demands for Central Armed Police Forces or the CAPF deployment at Neigrihms, asserting that the decision rests with the government. He assured that the police department is actively working to prevent future incidents. Tinsong urged people to avoid spreading misleading narratives that could create unnecessary fear, emphasizing the vigilance of law enforcement agencies. He called for public cooperation to maintain peace and trust in institutions.
Since this incident happened maybe a few hours back, let me tell you one thing. The moment we came to know all these issues, every citizen of the country who are working, serving here in the state of Neigrihms, be it a local or be it a non-local, my humble request to all of them: please don't misread or don't mislead people around, because we are dedicated. We are here to make sure that every single person, be it in or be it outsiders, in the state of Neigrihms, will make sure that they are fully secure. That's why whether you want CRPF, you want BSF, you want paramilitary, whatever, leave it to the wisdom of the government. As I said to you, the police department is fully on the job and will make sure that this incident should not again happen in the future.
For the 10th consecutive year, Meghalaya has